morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, my neighbors. A pleasure to
Good morning, Squeeze.
it's good to have you here, man. Back here live again. It's Cruising with a Case Handler, a show on personal injury law, where we speak about so many people out there who have decided to use, of course, the number one attorney, Adam Handler, when it comes to personal injury law, whether it's a construction accident, automobile accident, you name it. Everyone by now knows they got to make it Adam Handler. Adam, how you doing this morning, man?
I'm great, man. Thanks so much. We had a great show yesterday. I really enjoyed playing those testimonials. I actually want to repeat a couple of them that we played yesterday, just in case we have some different listeners today. But ladies and gentlemen, my name is Adam Handler. Of course, I am your case handler. I've been practicing personal injury law here in New York and New Jersey for nearly 17 years, almost exclusively for the Caribbean community, almost exclusively for the 93.5 FM community. I am the longest running, most celebrated attorney on this radio station. And I wear that badge with honor because I know that if you've got a problem, you've got a solution. It's a real situation that you're dealing with. If God forbid you're hurt in an accident, car accident, construction accident, slip and fall, trip and fall, you got one chance to get it right. And that's why we have this show on a daily basis, just to let you know who I am, what I do, and how I do it, so you can get it right the first time. And that's why we say one chance, one choice, one case handler. Squeeze, we got a lot to get to. So what do you want to start with? You want to start with a true life testimony? You want to start with some audio clips? We want to make sure that the people out there know that the most important endorsement really comes from those individuals who never ever expected they get into an accident, never expected they'd be crossing the street on the way to work in the crosswalk with the walk sign and get hit by a car and break their wrist or herniate a disc in their back and their neck or tear up their knee and need a surgery. But bad things happen to very good people, and we are here to right the wrong. So Squeeze, I will play. I will. You got dealer's choice right now, man. You are the DJ. You tell me what you want.
Let's jump right into it after we give out the phone number for you and your colleagues in your capacity there. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this show is called Cruising with a Case Handler. It's a show on personal injury law. And of course, Adam covers New York and New Jersey when it comes to accident cases. So if you do get hurt in that accident, make sure you have this number, which is 844-774-3529. That's 844 PPIDLAW. That's 844-774-3529. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be featuring some true success stories. These are actual real live testimonies of people who have actually used Adam Handler for their cases. You can also look him up on Instagram. You can look him up on Google. All right. But let's get into some true success stories right now. Once you note the number 844 PPID law. Adam?
Yeah. Let's play a couple. So this is one we played yesterday. This is a lady that was a pedestrian that did get into a terrible accident. We wound up getting her the full insurance policy about 2 weeks ago, and she recorded this when she picked up her check, $1,250,000. I'm not stuttering. $1,250,000. It was the maximum compensation she could receive. We were turning down offers as high as $900,000, but we knew the case was worth more, and we would fight, and we were ready to fight until we were able to get that maximum amount. And in fact, I posted on my Instagram while we were opening that check. So if you can go on Case Handler Instagram or Case Handler Facebook, you'll see in real time we were opening that check, and that $1 million check popped right out of there, which was very cool. But yeah, let me play this for you. This is what she had to say, and then I want to comment on something that she said because it's a unique testimonial.
Adam Handler and Mr. Matthew what? Goodstein. Goodstein. I know that they are good lawyers, and whatever they think they're gonna work for you to get the money, all the money that you can get, they do it with flying colors. Good people, manageable people you can hug. They don't discriminate nobody like some people. That's true. All of us are just one. You don't have nothing to think about, say, racial or whatever. That team is a good team. And anybody in any trouble, just call Mr. Adam and he will get everything out of life. And that's my answer to everything. And God bless us all. Thank you.
I love that one. First of all, I love her. We've known her for many years, and she really was one of those clients that we had to hold her hand the entire way, and that's part of the process. Some of the cases we have, the clients, are able to manage things on their own, and we kind of just are in the background a lot until it's time to snap into action. But there's other clients that really need some hand holding and make sure that everything's done the correct way, and they do things and don't do things that could prejudice her case, but with great pride and love. She's like a mom to Matthew and I. But what she said, really is something remarkable, because I know we talk about this, but maybe not enough. When you're an immigrant to this community, as she is, she came from the island of Jamaica. She's a citizen, but she's an immigrant. Maybe you don't know where to turn when you need serious help, when you need professional help, whether it's a lawyer, whether it's a doctor. And the fact that she turned to us and her family trusted their mom's case with our firm means a lot. And she obviously feels that we dealt with her in a very specific and special way that maybe I take for granted. Maybe I take it for granted that a lawyer, shouldn't discriminate against an individual for where they're from or what they look like or what God they pray to. But I guess not all attorneys are built the same way, Squeeze. And we certainly pledge here that it doesn't make a difference who you are, where you're from, or what you're doing here. It's all good. Look at that. Look at that, Squeeze. You pulled that up for me. That's why I love you. So,
what I do, man. It's what I do.
Gentlemen, if you did follow my instructions and you are on Instagram or Facebook watching right now, you'll see that $1 million check pop out. Now, like I said, it was $1,250,000. The $250,000 came in a separate envelope. But with respect to what she said, it's so empowering to know that we're able to change lives, that we're able to do the right thing, treat people the right way. And of course, it pays dividends for everybody.
Man, look at that $1 million check, man. That's what I'm talking about. Adam and Matt Goodstein and the entire team fighting, fighting for the people. That's what it is.
And I love that sign,
All you need is love and a good attorney.
All you need is love and a good attorney right there. And that's true, man. That's how we do it here at Pollock Isaac DeSico. That's how the case handler team takes care of business. But ladies and gentlemen, listen, we've been talking. Hopefully you know who I am by now. If not, it's nice to meet you. We've been doing this a very long time, and we've been around a long time doing some incredible things for some incredible people, because we truly hold ourselves to a different standard. We perform exceptional legal work for those individuals that have unfortunately been hurt in an accident. If you want somebody that's going to treat you like family, not just like a file, I highly suggest you take this number down. If you want somebody that's going to maximize the amount of money that you're entitled to under the law, regardless of your immigration status, I highly suggest you take this number down. 844-774-3529. 844-774-3529. 844-774-3529, or link me on Facebook, link me on Instagram, The Case Handler, link me on Google. Check out that 5-star review. That's not by mistake, ladies and gentlemen. It's because we do the right thing. We treat people the right way. And of course, our results are unmatched in this business. If you want what you believe to be the best possible attorney fighting for you and your family for that one and only shot, like I said before, one chance, one choice, one case handler. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll catch up with you soon. Squeeze, you're looking good, man.
Have yourself an amazing day. Make sure you call the case handler, ladies and gentlemen, 844-PPIDLAW. That's 844-774-3529. Yes, we've got choices in life when it comes to selecting our attorney. But listen, 17 years strong on this radio station, 93.5 WVIP FM and beyond. Can't be wrong. The proof is in the pudding, as we said yesterday. So store the number, as Adam gave like 50 times. I'll give it a few more times. 774-3529. Maybe there'll be another attorney in the next hour. Maybe the hour after that. Maybe the hour after that. Maybe at the top of the hour with people yelling and screaming. And that's okay.
Hey,
Nothing wrong with it.
often imitated, never duplicated. There is only one case handler. If your attorney is not Adam Handler, I'm sorry to say, but you got the wrong attorney.
There you go. Can't say I didn't tell you, people. 844-774-3529. That's 844-PPIDLAW. Going to kick it back to Zenmar and Yvette Marshall. Thank you so much, Adam, for taking care of the people. 844-PPIDLAW. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, have a great day. Here we go.